Hi everyone! So for today's video, we're gonna unbox the BT21 Universtar Volume 1 surprise toy. So there are 7 characters inside, 30 items to find, and there is a secret item. So how much is this? It's 999.75 pesos at the leading toy stores. And this sticker is an indication that it's
official.
It's official, original, from the BTS group. So let's find out what's inside. Oh, there's 7 items inside.
This is cookie. Is it 7? Cookie.
What else do you have?
The stand. Funny cookie. It's a funny Lego.
It's a stand. What else?
Ano?
Dumbbell.
Dumbbell.
Oh, galing naman ni Malia.
Yeah.
2 dumbbells.
And then water bottle. Ang funny na water bottle. Nasaan na ito, Mama?
Put it in the hands.
Oh, ano ito? Oh, is it ganito?
What's that?
Pink
Treadmill.
Treadmill.
So, he always goes to the gym? These are the 7 to collect. Whoa, amazing. What else? Wala na?
Sticker.
It's a sticker.
For here.
For the treadmill. No more?
No more.